Andy Abedank, of all robot manufacturers in the entire world and machinists, look up to him as one of the rock stars in our business. I asked him to come here to demonstrate to you guys some of the machines. He's pretty proud of them. He designed and built everything in there.
This is a custom machine, so what we do is we'll take it from the salesperson brings in an application to us. They say, hey, we've got this giant part. It's got multiple dots in there, so each one of those dots has a coordinate that are going down to the drive, and then it's printing it out. So we developed all this software as well as the mechanics that go along with it. So we give the customer a complete package. So you have a laser power unit, and then you have a fiber optic cable that feeds the beam into the box. And inside of here, you've got a lens, but all you have is 2 servo motors. It's basically the same concept as this, but instead of moving your mechanics around, you're just moving 2 mirrors. What we're doing here is this beam is actually just going like this, back and forth. It's traversing back and forth. And when it goes down, it'll move over a few microns and come back up. And that's what we're doing to remove the material. What these units are is we call them programmable marking systems, but basically what they are, they're like an XY stage. And instead of doing a tool path or drilling a hole pattern or machining a profile, we're laying down text. So we're generating a tool path in our software, sending it down to the controller, and we've got some servos or stepper motors that we're driving on an XY stage, XYZ stage to create text and 2D barcodes and that kind of stuff. We make everything that you see here. So at Columbia, we machine all of the components that go into this head. We do all the assembly. We make our own control boxes, drive cards, put everything together, wire them up to make a complete system, and then we do software engineering for the user to program the system. Right now I'm the engineering manager for Columbia Marking Tools. I hired in as a designer, which is what I went to tech for and what I went to college for, mechanical designer and detailer. I do play a sales role, and then I also play a project management role and an engineering role. So they kind of all blend together. Wasn't something that I expected, but they do blend together. So I do design work to assist with the sales department, and I was able to take a lot of the CAD experience that I had and 3D experience from tech and bring that into our company. Well, I would say that the biggest benefit of it was that it gave me a real feel for the on-the-job experience. There were no surprises when I stepped into a role doing what I went to school for. I already had that background, and I knew what the work environment was going to be like. And I think it gave me an advantage above everybody else. So I was able to bring that with me and into the company, and they accepted it, and it's benefited us real well.